Hello student, now we will go for our next video on our next topic of subject science standard 8. So as we have covered up most of the part in previous videos, now we will discuss the further topic of this lesson, that is crop protection. Student, as we have seen what all the things is done in the crop, how to take care of a crop, now we need the protection of a crop also. राइट प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ क्रॉप मीन्स क्रॉप्स को बचाना भी है. खेती तो कर ली, वी हैव डन दी सीडलिंग प्लांटेशन एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो अभी उसे बचाना है फ्रॉम लाइक नेचुरल क्लाइमेटीज ऑल्सो एंड फ्रॉम दी मैन मेड ऑल्सो. लाइक हर चीज़ से उसे बचाना है, तभी हमें हेल्दी क्रॉप्स मिलेगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्रॉप्स प्रोटेक्शन, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन अ क्रॉप प्रोटेक्शन. किस किस चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होगी क्रॉप प्रोटेक्शन करने में. लेट्स सी. स्केयर क्रो दैट आई टेल यू. यूज़ ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स करना ज़रूरी है. वीडिंग, हार्वेस्टिंग, थ्रेशिंग, विनोइंग. ये all these 1 2 3 4 5 6 factors we have to consider for the crop protection. Coming to the scarecrow means what? The image of a human life. You must have observed in all fields, most of the field wherever I have seen, like in most of the field a scarecrow is standing. A human structure like image has been standing on a wait. So human-like structure is made by us only. For the birds, it is standing on a stick, and that image is shown like as if the real person or real human is only standing in the farm. So birds get scared. They just flew away. They just don't come near your crops. So this is a scarecrow. Scare means डरावना. कोई तो भी पुतला खड़ा किया है वहाँ पे. एज यू कैन सी इन मराठी ऑल्सो इट इज सेड लाइक भुजगावना, same like that. So scarecrow, the image of human is standing on a stick. It's center of the farm or center of your field. It is been kept. So this next is use of pesticides. Use of pesticide is given in your page number C. In your page number 8 is use of pesticides for a healthy crops, like many of the insect worms that spoiled our farms, spoil our seeds also. So we have to put the pesticides, insecticide. Next is rodenticide. Some of this given pesticides means is a chemical substance, means putting a chemical in a water and they put the pesticides to protect our farm, protect our crop from the insects. That is use of pesticides. Next, weeding. Weeding means what? The process of removing weeds. Removing weeds means if you are sowing a seed, with the seedling, with your crop, other plant also grow, right? If the soil is there, if you are giving the putting the insecticide, pesticide, if your healthy seeds are there, and you are giving the good amount of irrigations also there. So with this seed, with your crops, other plants also grow. So for that you have to remove that other crops, like other crops you have to remove those other plants which grown with your crops. So that removing of plants, that is weeding. Removing of other weeds means removing of other plants which is grown with your crop, that is weeding. That will affect your crop also. Next is harvesting. Harvesting means what? Cutting and gathering crop. After as your crop, as your yield is ready to harvest, so cutting and gathering of a crop, that is nothing but harvesting process. Harvesting process. So you can come on your page number 9. It is shown there how it is harvested. In previous days we used a sickle like sickle से उसे harvest करते थे पूरा crop, like you put on a labor and everything, they harvest all the crops. Next is threshing. Threshing means separating grains from a chaff in a harvested crop. Threshing means अगर आपने crop, if you have removed the क्रॉप्स एंड दैट इज हार्वेस्टेड एंड अभी उसमें से ग्रेन्स निकालना है, सो दैट इज अ थ्रेशिंग यू डू. मीन्स it is a given a picture. First in before days threshing is done by man made, handmade से करते थे, like you know. So in previous days we used to do a manual threshing, means each and every laborers they gather the crops and everything, that beating process like this. If your grains are like this, they put on beating like this, so grains come out of the chaff. That is the threshing, manual threshing. Nowadays we are improved ourselves, as you all know, so there is a mechanical threshing also. Big tractors and big machines have come, so that is used for threshing and it is easy to use also and time saving also. Next, as we have done, separated the grain from a chaff with the process of threshing. Harvesting हो गया, threshing हो गया. Now winnowing. Winnowing means what? See, winnowing that is done in the farm also and at your home also. See, in the villages, ladies, they just with a lot of grain, as the air blows in that direction, they just keep their what do you say, grains and all everything in a big container, and they just in that flowing air they just do like this way, and all the grain falls on the ground, and what all the chaff is there that flew away with the air. Means that is separate grain from chaff by dropping on the ground. Means from the height they drop that grains and grains get separated, that grains falls on the ground and all the chaff and all the that is blew away. So this is winnowing, this process. This is the things that is for the good production or good produce what you are getting from a farm. Now आपकी पूरी खेती हो गई, crops, production you have done. Now lastly the point is that management, how you will do the management of a crop, how you will do the management of whatever you have produced. So there is a dry storage and also cold storage. Let us see about the dry storage. Dry storage means dry, as you know, जो भी सूखा अनाज होता है उसे स्टोर करके रखना. ड्राई मीन्स सूखा अनाज, सूखा ग्रेन्स, वट एवर इट इज दैट यू हैव टू स्टोर. सो हाउ यू विल स्टोर दैट? Storing non-perishable food material. Perishable means, perishable it is given, so that is, sorry, wait, that gets perishable means that gets spoiled. So non-perishable, जो जल्दी खराब नहीं होता है, वो food material, that food material, how you stored that you stored in a jute bag और a metallic beans. jute bag means वो थैले, बड़े बड़े थैले होते हैं. it is of brown color. it must be in your homes also. and metallic beans, बड़ी बड़ी जो beans होती है, बड़े बड़े containers होते हैं metals के, in that you could make your dry storage. Farmers they used to, in nowadays also, if all storage is done like this way. And in the commercial way, bड़ी बड़ी godowns, big factories, everything nowadays what they do in a commercial level, in a gunny bags, silicos or granaries, bड़ी godowns, all they are stored like this way. Now coming to the cold storage. So student, as we have seen about a type of storage, in that I have told you about the dry storage. Now coming to the cold storage. Dry storage we have done, and it is done on the large scale, and it is for the, like it can be kept, so it can be stored for a long period or a long time, and as it is stored in a different things, as I explained you. Coming to the cold storage. Cold storage is also there. You must be jumbling what is cold storage. Cold storage you must have seen, बड़ी बड़ी आइस फैक्ट्रीज होती है, या फिर बड़े food storage of a perishable food materials. Perishable means जो खराब होने वाली. There is non-perishable, that is not getting spoiled. The perishable means which is getting spoiled. So storage of a perishable food materials. means whatever the material, food materials which is stored in the cold temperature or below 4 degrees Celsius or in a refrigerator, that can be used for a long period. So the things which get spoiled within a period of a time or after some time, that is stored under a cold storage. The food material have very short shelf life, as I told you, for a short life. And to, as you can see, a milk, as I will give an example of a milk. Milk in a room temperature, it could be stored for a 1 day, but if you keep that milk in a refrigerator, it could be stored for 7 to 8 days. So this is the milk having very small shelf life. So for maintaining its content and its life, so it is stored in a cold place below 4 degrees Celsius, as I have told you, or 4.4 degrees Celsius. So food material like meat, it could not be stored in a type of dry storage, or it cannot be stored in a room temperature. So it must be stored in a cold storage. Poultry products, as I have given the like poultry means whatever things we are getting from chickens and meat, as I have given like eggs, fish, dairy products, cheese, milk, whatever bread, that is the dairy products. This is stored under the cold storage. So this everything we have done here. And one more thing I want to tell you, just read the definition of all crop protection and type of storage. Just go through the definition, you will understand well. And for this homework is that all the definition you have to cover in this videos. That's